Hi there, special Sunday tea today on camp, short rib. Look at that, cooked for 5 hours, just pulling off the bone. This little video just takes you through how I did this, and it's a very, very nice cut to have on camp. So there we have a beef short rib. If you get a good one like this, it really is a meal in itself. That's about 1/3 of a kilo, but sometimes they're so small they look like a horrid little dog chew. So what I'm going to do now is brown this off in a Dutch oven with some ram's and salt on it. There, I've got a good sizzle going on this, and obviously you just need to brown all the sides before it goes in. Yes, that's good. And then when you've got a bit of colouring on all sides, you need to add some stock. So I lay the bone sort of vertically, put the stock in, and go up to about halfway. That's the stock cube in there with a bit of thyme, crushed garlic and some rosemary. And now it's browned, I've switched to a tripod and made myself a small little self-feeding fire so I don't have to keep coming back. Lid on and it'll be in there for about 5 hours with a turn at about 3. Right, we've now hit that 3-hour mark. I've just taken it off, but you can see as I turn it over just how much that has shrunk in that slow cooking process. Yep, another couple of hours, we're good to go on that. So we're about there. I've just parboiled these potatoes slightly, and then I'm going to put some sliced spring onions in whilst I do the veg. The last bit will be lid off just to reduce that sauce down a little bit. When these tender stem broccoli shoots and forage nettle leaves are cooked, I'm ready. How good does that look?